Fix old cameras.
This tip was inspired by a remark in the comments section of Fix Old Cameras. A paraphrase of the comment is as follows. Some tips on replacing the mirror bumper on Minolta SLR X series cameras. Working behind that blankety-blank thin plastic baffle is a real challenge. So, flatten a standard drinking straw, plastic drinking straw. Then slip it behind the protagonistic thin plastic mask. And once it's pushed in, be careful though not to scratch the viewfinder lens, but once it's pushed in, flip it back and hold it with your index finger and pull up some pressure, just enough to pull the plastic mask away from the mirror cushion. Now hold the straw in this position with a piece of tape across the nameplate. And then you can have easy access to the mirror cushion to clean the old cushion out if need be and install the new cushion. The access is much better with the plastic mask pulled back away from the mirror cushion. When the job is done, obviously peel off the tape and carefully slip the straw free. The mask remains undamaged, and it allowed for a little more access to the mirror cushion.
Thank you for watching.